Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In today's video, we're going to install the Graviton text editor on a Windows PC. So let's open up our browser here and let's search for Graviton. Hit enter. Okay, and we want a Graviton text editor. So let's actually search for that. Okay, and then we come up with this graviton.netlify.app. Let's click on that. And let's go to download beta. Okay, and I'm going to download it for Windows. Okay, once it's downloaded, we can go and open up our folders here and look in our downloads folder. And if I go down, we see we have this Graviton application. My antivirus says it's safe. That's good. I'm going to right click and click open. Okay, and once you open it, begins installing, and it goes ahead and installs. I'm going to pin this to the taskbar. We can select English. I can click next, and welcome to Graviton. Here's some stuff. I can click next. I can pick dark or light. I'll just keep it as dark and click next, and then click OK, and we can create a new project. And we can create a node project, or we could open projects, but we have Graviton installed. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks.